Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very special review. As you guys can see in my hand, we have a Supreme bag. This bag is a really expensive item. As you guys know, yesterday on Thursday, Supreme collaborated with SWAROVSKI for their 25th anniversary collaboration box logo. And I was fortunate enough to pick up the box logo t-shirt. So I got this for retail at the Supreme store in LA. Obviously there's like a raffle you have to go. It's like a drawing. If you get selected, you go wait in line. They were either letting you pick the hoodie or the t-shirt, and the hoodies were gone by the time it was my turn, so I ended up picking up the t-shirt. I really wanted the navy hoodie, but I wasn't able to get that. However, this is a really great consolation prize. I'm gonna give you guys a close look at this, tell you guys if it's worth it in my opinion. Obviously the retail price on this shirt is about $400, so really expensive for a t-shirt. So getting into it, first of all, I want to say that it comes in this clear plastic bag with the red Supreme logo on the bottom. So nothing special there, just a regular Supreme bag. And then with it also comes this little card with Supreme and Swarovski crystals, so some of the details. So let me show you guys the card in detail right here. So it says Supreme and Swarovski, and there's some care instructions. So really quick, I just want to show you guys the tag as well. So on the tag, it also comes with this like Supreme little tag. On the reverse side of the tag, it says Swarovski box logo T, and retail is $398. And the Supreme tag really quick, it says Supreme, you know, just the regular Supreme tag there. With that out of the way, let's get right into this t-shirt. As you guys see right off the bat, it's really sparkly and really loud. Definitely stands out from just a regular, you know, Supreme box logo. There are really no other tags on the shirt. I'm gonna show you guys the front and the back. So the back is basically just an all white bag, basic, nothing, no logos or anything like that. And the front, again, super basic. It's just the box logo here in the center. So I really like that. They didn't do any other branding anywhere else. Like, it just puts the focus on the box logo itself. And trust me, this pops in person. Like, people are gonna know what you're wearing. You know, it really doesn't need any other branding or anything like that on it. And I do want to mention that I'm genuinely surprised at how clean the box logo cut is. There's over 1,100 crystals on this box logo for the t-shirt. I think for the tee, they said it's 1,181 if I'm not mistaken. I mean, and the main thing is they're actually handmade. Like, these are put together by hand in New York. So it's not like, so definitely took a lot of time and effort to make this like look so great. And I was kind of worried before the release about the whole crystal box logo. I really thought it'd be a lot more sloppy, and but the fact that they put it together by hand, I think they did a really good job with that. Now, I mean, it looks cool. It's kind of not my style, to be honest. Like, I don't really see myself actually wearing this. Although it really stands out, I'd rather wear just a regular Supreme box logo. That's just my take on it. But I mean, considering it's a 25th anniversary collaboration, they had to do something really dope and unique. And I mean, I really never thought they'd be collaborating with Swarovski on a box logo, but the fact that they did is really cool. And now the biggest question in the room is it worth $398 retail? And it's actually reselling for, you know, from $1,200 to $1,600 depending on the size. This is a size large. This is currently on StockX and other third-party websites for around $1,200. I definitely would not pay $1,200 for this. I'm just being honest about it. Like, it's a dope collab. I'm not taking anything away from it, but $1,200 for a t-shirt, like, I mean, at the end of the day, guys, it's a streetwear brand. It's Supreme. It's not like a designer brand like that. Now, although, yeah, the Swarovski crystals give it that designer, I guess, feel to it, I think the $400 retail price was actually kind of pushing it. That's just in my opinion. But obviously, if you have the chance to get it for retail, you just have to. If I were to pay the resale market, max I'd pay for these is $600-700. I don't really see myself spending more than that for just a t-shirt. Now the hoodie is kind of a different deal. Like, they last a lot longer, they get dirty a lot less. And just the hoodie has like more of like a, you know, expensive feel to it, in my opinion. So the hoodies, they retail for $598. Those are reselling anywhere from $1,800 to $2,500 depending on the color and size. Those, I would say, you know, they're probably worth, in my opinion, like a good $1,200 to $1,500. I would pay that much for them. In terms of sizing, they are, you know, made by Supreme, so the sizing is the same as every other, you know, Supreme t-shirt. So if you have another box logo or a Supreme t-shirt, the sizing is pretty much the exact same. So go with your normal Supreme size. Alright guys, taking a better look at the box logo, I want to show you guys how it looks up close. So now my only concern with this colorway is that since it's silver on white, the Supreme doesn't really show that well. Crystals are, look at that, like these crystals are super sparkly and they look really, really dope. But yeah, my only concern would be like the Supreme logo isn't as bold as it could be in my opinion. But I just want to show you guys a close look at these crystals. So the logo, the box itself is composed of red crystals and the Supreme lettering is just silver crystals and then a white fabric underneath. So let's take a good look at that. But I am genuinely surprised on how clean the cut came out. It definitely took a lot of work. And let me show you guys how they look with flash. Pops a little bit more like that. And then here's how they look with flash. So definitely the crystals look really, really vibrant. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this Supreme Swarovski 25th anniversary collab review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know there aren't that many of them on YouTube yet, so hopefully this helps you make a decision on if you want to buy it or not. Once again, in my opinion, the $400 retail price is kind of pushing it, and the resale market on the t-shirts is just absolutely insane. I would not recommend paying it. Now, will the prices go up? Considering the 25th anniversary and how like the Supreme Louis prices went up, I would say these might go up, but I don't think they'll go up too much in the near future. But eventually, because like all like the, you know, like the 20th anniversary, like those anniversary tees tend to go up, and it's a box logo and it's super rare. So I guess in the future, yeah, the prices on these will go up. So if you guys want to buy it as an investment, go ahead and do it. And if you guys really just want to buy it to rock it, once again, I hope this video helped you guys. And if you did like this video and if you want me to continue doing some Supreme unboxing, usually I just do shoes. But if you want me to do Supreme drops, please comment down below and I'll start doing some Supreme unboxings whenever I purchase products from them. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more. And hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Supreme Swarovski box logo tee.